How much
Hey guys,
grimace shakes are they? Put your hand in the air. I'm thinking 5 because I have 4. Oh,
Whoa.
let me see this.
What the hell?
Hello. Oh, he's the owner. It's the grimace shake.
What the hell's going on here?
Get over here. Get over here. That's where the owner.
Okay, that's Grimace.
The mod. Oh, he's stupid. Grimace. He doesn't have a jump scare. Watch this. Yeah, I don't like that.
This is my first time playing this game. I have no idea.
See, if you go in and he won't jump scare too. Let's do level.
So he doesn't even.
But put your hands in the air. Mine.
Hi.
Where is that?
What
monster?
the hell do I do here?
What is? I don't know. Find the right box.
What the hell is this?
Is there any monsters? Click on the boxes to find the right one, bro. That's how you do it. Oh.
What the hell is this?
Does it sound like a button? Does it sound like a button? Yeah, it's kind of like level 8. It's kind of like level 8 of Make Scared. Is there a free Pride Month thing in this? No.
Oh.
I'm looking everywhere. Oh, God, it's right here! 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 It's on your back. Right here! Right here! Right here! It's right there! Oh, it's right here! Oh, I found it! I found it! I found it first, guys! Right there! Right there! Right there! Right here! Look! It's right here, guys! It's Dan, go! Come on! Let's go! Let's go, boys! Let's go!
I have no idea what I'm doing.
Find 2 buttons. Guys, how do we play this level? How do you
For the
play
bananas? Yes, please.
How do you play this, bro? This is confusing. What?
No, I want it.
I don't see nothing.
I want it. Okay. Do I just die now? Yep.
But
Okay, I'm gonna head back up.
I want to go back. No, I want to go back.
Oh my gosh. Why do I have a green block? Why do I have a green block? Okay. What the hell's wrong with this game? I don't like this game. Well, I like it. It's cool and all, but why do I just slow down mid-jump? Like just... What the hell? Okay, this is like a hammer. Oh wait, can you break? I heard him. Hello? Hello?
Well,
Where are you?
I spawned in the floor.
Oh, okay, that's nice.
No.
Okay. Still can't go through that.
No, where is it? Where is it? Why does it keep spawning outside?
I don't want to go through this. Fishbone, as always, goodbye. Oh, tell me if you want more of that.